Good morning, friends. The fact that in all the schools and colleges, generally or any competitive exam, the 25% of the questions in error finding and sentence improvement comes, which contains tenses and determiners. Now, the fact that determiners are the words that determine the place of a noun in a sentence, they also fix certain grammatical items. So, determiners have a variety of functions in English structure. Generally, the determiners which are very popular are demonstrative adjectives like this, that, these, those, possessives, his, her, its, etc. Then adjective about number, quantifiers, articles, uh, possessives and articles. Determiners generally in quantifiers, and they are also cardinal numbers depending upon the language. But certain determiners which are often used in competitive exam in sentence completion or in correction or error finding. The first one is known as alternative determiners, like another, other, somebody, and different. Now the second one, articles, and. Now, what is difference between another and other? How can we really make a distinguish between the use of another? Look, uh, we have two options. One is to go for PCM up at the plus two level, and the other is to go for PCB. So here, another and other, they are distinguishing between one another, but each other and one another have a differences. Each other is generally used for two. For example, the two brothers helped each other. But when you are referring to more than two persons, then you will have to write one another. Like all the Indians should understand one another. Here, one another, it is more than one. We are talking about plurals. That is why we are using one another. Like all the participants interacted with one another. Here, the number is large, but when we are referring to two only, like the two girls helped each other. So when we are referring to two, definitely it is each other. Now the question arises: what is the use of uh, articles in correction of sentences? See, we have been using a and the. A and N are indefinite articles. A is used before singular countable noun having consonant sound, and N is used before singular countable noun having vowel sound. And that D is used before a number of cases, like if you are referring to a superlative degree, like the best bow of this class, the largest river in the world, anything like that. So superlative degree, the is used. When you are referring to a specific noun, you can use the, like the sun, the moon. They are unique and specific. The earth. The second type of determiner is cardinal determiners, like zero. We always use zero, one, two. They are like 50, infinite. All these are cardinal determiners. They refer to numbers. Then come to the third one, degree determiners. Degree determiners are many, much, few, little, couple, several. We often use several of the boys are going on a tour. A few girls are present in the class today, like that. So when you are using a countable noun, you can use some, a few, several, many, like many people in India believe in the process of democracy. So these are the numbers, they are known as degree determiners. Then demonstrative, this, that, these, those. Then disjunctive determiners. They are also known as distributive determiners, like each, every. Each of the boys has a pen in his hand. every one of the student was present in the class. That is distributive. Now disjunctive determiner, either, neither. Either of the two boys is a winner. Neither of the two boys is a winner. Neither is negative, either is positive. Then come elective determiners. Any, either, whichever. Whichever case you take, they have equal chance of giving a verdict. Then come equative determiners, the and same. Equative, the same person, the same thing, the same matter. Equative. Then evaluative determiners, such, that, or so. Such was the case as it was decided. He was so tired that he could not move. Then existential determiners, some and any. Then interrogative and relative determiners, whatever and whichever. Mutual determiners, a lot of, many, several. Negative determiners, no and neither. Personal determiners, we, students. Possessive determiners, my, his, her. Now the question arises then, how to really spot error when you are speaking or writing a sentence. Always remember, when you start saying, जब आप कहते हैं कि this is building, now this is wrong, this is a building, this is a building, this is this is a few of the buildings, that is one of the buildings. So when you are using one, then after that you have to write of and a plural noun, like one of the boys has been the winner. One of the boys, one of the cases has been a very complicated one. You are using a singular but you are using a plural noun after one of. In similar cases, each of the boys, here you are using each singular verb but noun is plural. So that way you can use determiners and you can correct the sentences. In the next series we'll talk more about some other parts of speech. Thank you. Have a nice morning.